Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Bitcoin to Ethereum. As you enter the main page, select Bitcoin and Ethereum, type in the desired amount for the exchange, then you can automatically see how much Ethereum you receive, as well as the network fee. Click on the Exchange button to head to the second step. Here, you need to enter your Ethereum wallet address. Make sure that it is the correct address. Then, you type in your email address. Bear in mind that your phone number is optional. However, there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. Stay tuned for more on that later. Click on Exchange to head to the third step. Here, you can once again see how much you send, how much you receive, the network fee, and your wallet information. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Exchange to head to the last step. On the fourth step, you have every single information regarding your transaction, your order status, and our terms of service. Please dedicate some time to read the information carefully. You also have a track ID and HiExchange's Bitcoin wallet address. When you have sent the Bitcoin to our wallet address, upload a screenshot of the transaction. Also, copy your track ID to follow up on your transaction later. Click on I agree to terms and click on Pay Order to finish the transaction. Thank you for choosing HiExchange. You can also follow up on your transaction with the track ID.